YouTube video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in like 60 years, but I'm back with another Cooking with Nathan, but this time it's Cooking with Nathan and
Natasha, bitch. What's up?
And today we're not just making one thing. We're making how many?
2 things.
That's right. We're making macaroni and cheese and avocado toast. So about the other thing, which was the avocado toast, we made it. But Natasha's not uploading that, so that's fun and fresh. So we're just making macaroni and cheese.
Have healthy because Nathan here is cooking it. I'm just here for.
I'm just adding shit in a pan or pot.
It's more. Okay, you know what? We're gonna have a full debate.
It's certified. It's been proven.
Darling of mine, where have you been? I feel so alive with you in my bed.
So first, you open the box.
No, not yet.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't even heat up the water. Amazing camera work.
I'm so sad, my freaking. I ran out of
Coming
storage.
for my brand.
Honey, listen to me.
I haven't posted
Linda,
in 4 months.
Linda, honey.
It's Linda.
I asked you not to do something.
Linda, but listen to me.
Now listen, I said.
That's so funny.
Linda!
Okay, you know what? It was funnier in my head.
So, the water is boiling, I think.
It is. Look at this.
And then we're gonna open the box of...
Okay, you use one hand.
Yes.
And I'll use the other hand. Okay, fine. Do it.
No, wait. I'm not gonna set a timer because timers is for losers.
Yes.
We can also burn this, but...
But we're not.
Yeah, we're not.
Because we're not that dumb.
Foreshadow. So while the macaroni or pasta is cooking, I'm gonna prepare the only other ingredient we needed to buy, which was milk.
Okay, so I'm preparing the avocado toast.
Can you not?
Shut up, Nathan.
So I'm gonna get the measuring cup. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna put some almond milk in here. So here's my amazing camera work. I'm gonna pour milk in. Is it? Oh God, I'm gonna. Ugh. It's a little over 1/4. God, it's about to flood. So what did you do in these dire situations? You turned down the heat.
head. Hey, I washed my hand.
Did that? No, did it burn?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. First of all, you need a knife.
So we need toasted bread.
That's the toast part.
Where's the toast?
Or
There.
right underneath that stuff. I'm gonna pour in almond milk into the little pot. So the cheese sauce is done. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this Cooking with Natation. If you guys like what you saw today, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you want, subscribe to the bell button to get notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Bye.